What's up, everybody? Bucket here, Bucket's World Vegas, back with another room walkthrough tour. This time we are at Mandalay Bay in a Resort King strip view. We are in room number 56th floor, room 215. Let's go inside and let's check it out. So, this is actually my first time to stay at Mandalay Bay. I have stayed at Delano before, but this is my first time at Mandalay Bay. And so far, it's pretty impressive. As you walk in, you got your full body mirror here. You check yourself out. And here is your room. It is like I said, it's a Resort King, one king bed. And obviously you've got your desk, your seating area, with a nice chair. The TV appears to be 47 inch, maybe 50, somewhere in there. You got your ice bucket, some wine glasses or water glasses. Obviously, it's an MGM resort property, so you've got your little snack bar and mini bar here that is going to cost you a pretty penny if you decide to partake in any of that stuff. And it is weighted. It's got a sensor on it. If you pick it up, you own it. It's one of the things that I don't really like about MGM properties is most of the MGM rooms don't have a fridge in the rooms. Caesars properties, especially the lower tier ones, they all do. There is a coffee maker in the room. However, it is, if you want the coffee, it is part of the mini bar. Pick it up, you own it. I don't know how much it would cost, but I'm sure it's not going to be cheap. So these are your seating chairs, little seating area, and the bed. I really like the wall vinyl they used for the accent wall. It's very unique. I don't even know what to describe that as, but it's a nice touch. Obviously, you got your bedside tables, your lamps, which don't have power outlets on them. The lamps have one outlet on each one, but you definitely don't have access to plenty of outlets for charging. Now, before you get into the bathroom, you've got double closets, one on each side. I'll only show you the one. This one has your, the luggage didn't come with the room, that's mine. This is where you'd find your safe, your hangers. In that one there, you've got your ironing board, an iron, and a luggage rack. And into the bathroom. Now, the bathrooms are really nice, and they're bigger than most bathrooms that I'd be used to. Got a makeup mirror on the wall, his and her sinks, lighted vanity mirror, and a soaking tub. Now, that's not a big soaking tub. I'm 5'7". I feel like I wouldn't be able to completely lay out in there. If you're looking for a bigger tub, definitely stay at Delano, or Delano, that's how it's pronounced. Delano has the large soaking tubs in them, and they're deep. It's if that's something that you're looking for between the two hotels, that's the way that you're going to want to go. Nice walk-in shower. Appears to be very clean. And then obviously your water closet, toilet area that does not have its own independent powered exhaust fan. It is on a stack exhaust, which if y'all watch the channel, y'all know that that's one of my favorite features. And that lampshade actually looks to be pretty stained up. That's water stains. That tells me that somebody above this room flooded that toilet and it ran down here. It's unfortunate, but it does happen in hotels. So the benefit to this specific room is obviously the view. This is a strip view, and I wasn't sure what to expect because I've never seen the strip from this exact angle, but it's actually a pretty good view, looking right down Las Vegas Boulevard. And this is what it looks like during the day. Not bad at all. And if you could give me just a minute, stand by for just a moment, and I'll throw in some footage of it here at night. Stand by. And before I forget, I'm going to do the temperature test in the room to judge this air conditioner. This does have one of the Honeywell thermostats, and I am not going to do the hotel hack or the thermostat trick where you basically put it into VIP mode, which will allow you to go below a certain temperature. So this is only letting me go down to 65. I'm going to set it to 66, and if you do the trick, it lets you go a little bit lower. But so I've got my little thermometer out, and currently in the room, I just reset it. So currently in the room, let's get a better shot of that. It is reading 73 degrees. This will show the lowest temperature that it's gotten to and the highest temperature that it's gotten to within a 24-hour period. So I just dropped the AC down. I would expect that to drop down a little later in the afternoon. But what I want to see is if that thermostat actually works on a motion sensor, because a lot of these Honeywells do, if they're programmed to do so. And if there's not movement within the room within a certain time, it resets the temperature back up to a higher temperature. It's an energy saving thing that a lot of the hotels are doing. But anyway, that's where we're at. I'm curious to see if in the overnight hours, if that air conditioner sets to a higher temp. And if it does, you guys will be the first to know. Stand by. Well, here are your AC results. The entire time, so it's been just about 24 hours, the entire time that we got here, I cranked the AC down to 66 degrees, and it stayed at about 68 overnight. During the day, that 73 degrees is when we first walked in. So all in all, I would say that it holds temperature, and it did not cut out in the middle of the night like I experienced at the Bellagio. So that's a good thing. Mandalay Bay apparently has decent air conditioning in the rooms, which for those of y'all that are like me, that is a big point of contention when it comes to booking a room. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Now let's check out that nighttime footage. And as promised, here is the nighttime view from a Mandalay Bay Resort King strip view. Not a bad view. For some reason, I feel like tonight some of the building lights are not on. Like New York's not lit up. Excalibur doesn't look to be lit up. You know, Luxor has the lights on the corners or on the edges, which is normal. But yeah, that's it. Cosmo doesn't look lit up. Kind of strange. But that's the view that I see while I'm here. Not a bad view at all. Buckets World of Vegas. I'm out. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, please like and subscribe. That actually helps out quite a bit in growing the channel. Thanks again.